Hello, this is Lisa Bombard, and I am with Archadeck of Chicagoland. I am in Naperville, Illinois, at a home where we've built a low-maintenance deck. And I'll walk you through the layout as well as the materials that were involved in this project. So what we chose here was a multi-level deck. You can see there's one step separation between the top level and the lower level. And this was an important detail to the homeowner because they wanted a feeling of separate rooms or separate spaces on their deck, distinct areas rather than having an open flexible space. So we accomplished that by having the step down there. And this also creates a nice flow down to the yard. And the upper level is meant to accommodate a grill and a dining table as well. So we'll step up here so you can take a look. And even with that, they still have a good amount of wiggle room. And then it steps down to this lower and smaller level that is meant for a little couch or chair seating set. Then the boards go on different directions or different angles on the upper deck and the lower deck, and we do that to avoid this step being a tripping hazard and also for a little decorative touch as well. So you can see that this step down is a lot more noticeable when the decking is going on a different direction. Then we have a wide stair going down to the yard. I like doing this for a few reasons. One is that someone can go up the stairs and down the stairs at the same time, so you can fit two people. Also, it keeps the view open for this seating area, so there's no rail obstructing the view. What we use for materials would be TimberTech products. So the decking is low maintenance decking by TimberTech. This is brown oak, which is a very popular color. It's a nice medium brown with some black streaking in it to give it a more realistic wood-like look. Then we have the Radiance Rail Express, which is a classic style railing with 2x2 pickets, and we chose to go with a brown railing to match the decking and white pickets to match the trim on their house and their windows, which is what I would say we do pretty often, is pick up the white in the window trim. Then we also have lighting. You can see the lights on the posts here. Unfortunately, we can't see those on right now or see the ambiance that it creates because it's light out. But she said this is one of her favorite details. She's been enjoying it at night, and she's already been out here entertaining and is really excited about how everything turned out. So that's always my favorite part, is to hear how excited people are to use their new space.